Excuse me, can you help me out? My scanner is not working. I will give you in cash.
I don't scan for strangers. Sorry.
Excuse me, I asked that lady, but she refused. My scanner is not working. Can you help me out?
Yes, I'll help you. Oh my god!
Don't let your empathy be their anti-point. Scanners often target kindness and guilt. Never scan unknown QR codes or make digital payments for strangers, even in public places. Dial National Cybercrime Helpline 1930.